Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add titles and captions on iPad in LumaFusion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add titles and captions on iPad in LumaFusion, all you got to do is simply go to LumaFusion. Now, if you're in your LumaFusion in your iOS or like iPad, then to add titles and caption, you need to add a layer, that is your title layer, to your timeline, which you can simply customize into the title editor. LumaFusion does not automatically generate caption, so these must be added manually using the title editor. You need to open your project, navigate to the media library, browse the available title templates. You can simply adjust the duration and position and customize the text. You can edit the text, format it, and then fine-tune the appearance and animations. So this can be done. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.